Hi, and thanks for joining me. This is the second in a series of videos exploring configuration drift and updating configuration in a SOAS environment. In our last video, we explored exactly what configuration drift is and saw an example of a configuration drift report. If you'd like to revisit that video, or see it for the first time, click the card on screen now. In this video, we're going to create a new JDBC data source in preparation for updating the configuration of our live environment. There are two potential places we could add our new data source, either our model or our blueprint. Remember that Mist maintains a relationship between a blueprint as the template for a series of environments and models, which are individual environment-specific configuration. We're going to add our new JDBC data source to our blueprint because this needs to be present across our full deployment lifecycle all the way to production. We add it once to our blueprint and it's present in all of our models. And that's normally the case when we're adding new infrastructure, that it will need to be present across the whole lifecycle. So while it might need to change configuration on an environment by environment basis, adding it to the blueprint ensures it's always there for us. I click Manage in the toolbar at the top of the screen, then click Platform Blueprints. Our blueprint is the 12.2.1.3 blueprint, so I click that and Mist takes me to our blueprint. I click WebLogic Domain Configuration, scroll down to JDBC Data Sources, and expand the list of data sources. I'm going to create the new JDBC data source based on the existing stock assets data source, which contains most of the configuration I want. I right-click on stock assets in the tree, select Clone, and give a name of Stock Turbo for our new JDBC data source. Scrolling through the configuration, we can see that Mist has cloned everything from the stock assets data source, including passwords. Everything is here, and we're good to go. Oh, except every data source needs a unique JNDI location as its unique location to be accessed in the JNDI tree. So I click the toggle to show advanced properties, then change the second part of the JNDI name to Stock Turbo. I click Save and Commit, and then I'm prompted for information about the changes I'm committing. I enter a meaningful description for my commit, documenting the addition of a new data source, and then click Commit. Now we have a new revision of our blueprint with our data source. We can see that the revision number has incremented where Mist shows our version information. So now we have changes in our live environment not reflected in the model, the ones we found via config drift checking, and changes in our model not reflected in our live environment via the JDBC data source we've just configured. Join us in the next video in this series when we'll look at testing an update to our SOAS environment using Mist's dry run functionality to see exactly what Mist will do with these discrepancies. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the Rubicon Red Mist channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for joining me. See you again soon.